I know you guys are all excited, but please do bear with me for a short time. I, on behalf of PNTMD, stands before you to express our heartfelt gratitude and acknowledgement of our leaders whose vision and dedication have laid the foundation for what we are today. I also would like to take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate to all those who have contributed in this program. We truly appreciate your willingness to share your talent and energy with us. Now may I invite our President Rosalie to kindly come forward and do the honor of handing over the presentation. As I call out your name, I request you all to kindly come over on the stage and receive a token of appreciation from our President. In the first place, may I call the President of PNUD. President of PNUD. Sir, if you're around, please kindly come over on the stage. Okay, so in the next place, I would like to call all the former PNTMD executives for the tenure 2024 to 2025. President Mr. Rosalu Laksan. Vice President Mr. R.S. Jogokonapu. General Secretary Mr. Maulana Shevaju. Assistant General Secretary M. Daijo. Finance Secretary Ms. Leonai L. Jana. Women Affairs Secretary Ms. S. Vidya Angam. Assistant Women Affairs Secretary Mr. K.H. Rona Stacy. Social and Cultural Secretary Mr. Joseph T.K. Assistant Social and Cultural Secretary Mr. Roboy Kinamay. Games and Sports Secretary Ms. Jovinay Anna. Assistant Games and Sports Secretary Mr. Chu Real. Literary and Publicity Secretary Ms. Jovina Mana. Please do kindly come over on the stage without wasting much time. Next, I would also like to acknowledge our former advisors, Dr. K.H. Neil Young, Sir Daniel B. Peshai, Sir Michael J. Wuba, Miss K.P. Imelda B. Kane, Mr. Dr. Demai, former advisors for the tenure 2024 to 2025. Former advisor Dr. K.H. Neil Young, Sir Daniel Pishai, Sir Michael J. Uba, Miss K.P. Imelda B. Kane, Mr. Dr. Demai. Speaker, Mr. Sheikh Hopi, Deputy Speaker, Mr. Isoti, Assembly Secretary. Former advisors, Dr. K.H. Neil Young, Jasinai Russell Jaleta, and Mr. Wissel Javipo, the host for the second session. Now may I invite our artists to kindly come up on the stage and receive a token of appreciation from our president. First, we have Miss Alumni Herang. Miss Alumni Herang. In the second place, we have our Mr. Sheldon. Mr. Sheldon. Next, may I call any of the representative of Girl Crush? Any representative from Girl Crush? Next, may I call upon DJ Pinu? Next, any representative from Jamidi? Any representative from Jamidi? Any representative from Jamidi? Next, I would also like to acknowledge our organizing committee, Mr. Roland Trout, our convener for today's event. Mr. Roland Trout, convener for today's event. Miss A. Vishne Wendy, Mr. Caleb Zemai, Mr. Cafe Angam, Miss A. Vishne Wendy, Mr. Caleb Zemai, Mr. Cafe Angam. Advisors Board, Sir Michael J. Uba, Dr. Sahana L. Biko, Dr. K.H. Liao Yang, Mr. Rina Filamai, Mr. P. Rosalo Laksan. Current Advisors Board. Current Advisors Board, Sir Michael J. Uba, Dr. Sahana L. Biko, Dr. K.H. Liao Yang, Mr. Rina Filamai, Mr. P. Rosalo Laksan. Next, Assembly Affairs. Mr. Asaku Happison, Speaker. Mr. Thalo Bomai, Deputy Speaker. Assembly Secretary, Mr. Papujo. Assembly Affairs. Speaker, Mr. Asaku Happison. Deputy Speaker, Mr. Thalo Bomai. Assembly Secretary, Mr. Papujo. Assembly Affairs. Mr. Papujo. Election Committee. Election Committee, Mr. Wissel Javipo, Chief Commissioner. Mr. Wissel Javipo, Chief Commissioner. Ms. Jawini Anna. Mr. Ngolono Hesh Shevadu. Election Committee for the January 2025 to 2026. Election Committee, Mr. Wissel Javipo, Ms. Javinai Anna, Mr. Ngolono Hesh Shevadu. Next, Audit Committee, Mr. Rosanu Gidon, Mr. Rosanu Gidon, Mr. Shekhopi, Ms. Poumai Lily, Mr. VedAoyu Niih. Audit Committee, Mr. Rosanu Gidon, Mr. Shekhopi, Ms. Poumai Lily, Mr. VedAoyu Niih. Audit Committee. Action Committee, Mr. Poumai Naga and Mr. Daniel Castro. Action Committee, Mr. Poumai Naga, Mr. Daniel Castro. Action Committee. I also would like to felicitate our two professors from our Poumai community. First is Professor Dr. Kole Timothy, Department of Mathematics at Motilal Nehru College, Delhi University. He is the first Naga to earn the prestigious title of Professor of Mathematics at Delhi University. Professor Dr. Kole Timothy, sir, if you're around, please kindly come over on the stage. The first Naga to earn the prestigious title of Professor of Mathematics at Delhi University. Secondly, Professor D. Chow, Dr. D. Chow, Psychology Department, Zakir Hussain College, University of Delhi. In the next place, I would also like to invite our two Sub-Inspector. First, Sir Johnny Ravi, Sub-Inspector CISF. Sir Johnny Ravi, SI CISF. Sir Victor Poumai SI Delhi Police. Sir Victor Poumai SI Delhi Police. Next, any representative from the prelude performance. Any representative from the prelude performance, the gym boys. Any representative. Next, may I also call upon Ms. Shakune Blessing Vemai. Ms. Shakune Blessing Vemai. Next, the photographers team, Mr. Tyron Amri, Mr. Imitung Ubung, Mr. Phungchak Stokdan. The photographers team. The photographers team, Mr. Tyron Amri, Mr. Imitung Ubung, Mr. Phungchak Stokdan. Next, our photographers, Mr. Tyron Amri, Mr. Imitung Ubung, Mr. Phungchak Stokdan. Light and sound team, any of the representatives? Light and sound team. Light and sound team, any representative? Next, fusion show choreographer and costume designer, Ms. Miss D.H. Deborah Loveru and Miss Kaunani Gracie Vemai, fashion show choreographer and costume designer. Miss D.H. Deborah Loveru, Miss Kaunani Gracie Vemai. Projectionist, Mr. Travel and Mr. Ls Kovale. Projectionist, Mr. Travel and Mr. Ls Kovale. Program designer, Mr. Eliza. Program designer, Mr. Eliza. And catering, We House of Ethnic Cuisine. Catering, We House of Ethnic Cuisine. And lastly, the manager of Shah Auditorium, Mr. Asst. Manager of Shah Auditorium, Mr. Asst. We also would like to acknowledge the PGT donors, Poumai Got Talent donors. First, Ms. Tubunai Kejia and Mr. Daniel B. Peshai. PGT donors, Poumai Got Talent donors, Ms. Tubunai Kejia and Mr. Daniel B. Peshai. Mr. Daniel B. Peshai. Okay, from this we have come to the conclusion of our presentation. I hope you enjoy the rest of the program. Thank you for bearing with me.
Thank you so much, Ms. Abigail Vane, for the presentation.
Okay. Up next, we have a very interesting event coming up. Poumai Naga Tsiidoumai Me lisi shuano, malausa no ito hi ashape kete jubue. Ju television jo hana hi ito no. Ramai ni ito hi kagar ashape kete obue. Didi malausa no display so sele. Lu was no ashape ito. Music was no, instrument was no, more dance was no, more chipo was no. Malausa no. Ta lehin ito ashape veli pita no bue. Juve Poumai Got Talent. Hana hai hau tamazun ali declare so na ju more announce so na ju dai diluza. Juve hana hai competition ali vevano popiso compare so piso ana ramen ashapaka to bob ju hana hai pop display so ne talent celebrate so di hana hai ma ali na li so poliza trala show le ju ito we talent show hi troman so ne ito we zama to show bob ju mas za pere ma to introduce so trophy ne jine ji ku pya pe diluza buhine lala no ito audience ma ngopuli za trala show le alright no Mr. Banner Lana My James. Thank you. Mr. Cornelius Lana. Ms. Yam Kishune Lana. And Mr. VedAoyu Niih. Okay, so to try he jumas the Hameto we PGT han hai with to ya cellular genu someone to show bob to judge Mr. Cornelius Lana hanene criteria to ha kula ha ka judge sule ye han hai pia ito hi popular the trala show le.
Okay, I'll not take much time. Nero Jevi Pomo, we vegetable. Don't it? Katrina gave 20 Jindar on the soup let the luce. Don't eat up here by the night. Okay. We will judge. On behalf of the judges, we have decided that we will judge on 5 criteria. and I would appreciate if the contestants can take that seriously and take it into consideration. We've decided that we will not overly look at AJT, but spice up a little bit, mix up a little bit with a little bit of entertainment and fun, and make it into a PGT. All right, first we will look in one of the criteria is talent and skill. We will look at how well you perform your act, how well you perform your chosen act. Second is your creativity. We will look at your originality, your style, and your presentation. Third is the stage presence, your energy, your confidence, and your connection with the audience. Third, and my favorite, entertainment value. How engaging and enjoyable the act is for the audience. So audience, you will not be voting today, but after the act, if you liked it, show some appreciation because that earned a point for them. Last but not the least, the fifth criteria is community representation, where all Poumais, and it would be good, everyone comes up with tips. So the tips for today, if you want to win the judges' heart, is community representation. How do you reflect Poumai's pride and culture in your act? So these are the 5 criteria that we will be looking at it, and I wish all the contestants the very best.
Thank you so much, Mr. Cornelis, for your time. Tonight we have 4 participants with us, and they have been selected after much audition, and they are all an amazing performers. Therefore, now I give time to all the participants to take your time accordingly. Serial number 1, may we have you on stage?
Hello, I'm serial number 1. I'll be playing a fingerstyle arrangement of My Heart Will Go On.